Hello everyone. So here we will do some entries, general entries for issuing of cash. Mainly company issue share for two purpose. Mainly they can issue share for two purpose. First, for purpose of arranging cash, because they required money, they required finance, so they issue share for that. And for the if they are selling the share, obviously they will get money. First reason is that. Second is called consideration other than cash, that we will discuss later. But when company buy, only some introduction I am giving to you. When company bought assets and they are not paying, instead of payment, making cash payment, they are giving share to the vendor, so that is called consideration other than cash. So here some entries are there, you can see. Like first one is the bank account debit to share application. For understanding these entry, the best example is that you visited to college after 12th, and or you want to take admission for in that college. So obviously first you will buy application form. So in the same way, company give advertisement in the newspaper, and if people like to buy that, they bought the share application. So obviously company so bank account debit to share application account, first entry will be there, because company got the money, so bank account debit to share application. After, when company got these shares, it means share application amount, that amount will be transferred to capital account. So next entry will be share application account debit to share capital account. Whatever amount they have received in a money form, that will be transferred to the capital account. Then after, it is not necessary that only buying form of college is a guarantee of taking admission in college. It may be possible that college have 100 seats, but they got form of 120 students. If they got 120 application form, so obviously they have to reject 20 students form. In the same way, company have issued like 20,000 shares, but they received 30,000 shares application, so obviously they have to reject 10,000 shares. So next entry will be, that is, you can see, that is the reversal of first entry. So share application account debit to bank account, it means company rejected 10,000 share application form. Next one is the share allotment account debit to share capital account. Mission that you have filled application form, and then college will decide whether they will allot seat to you or not. So next entry will be the same, that college in the same way company will decide whether they will allot share to you or not, and if they have allotted, obviously they will demand for the next amount. So that will be share allotment account debit to share capital account. It is, suppose a course fees is 5 lakh rupees, so it is not necessary that all the amount you have to deposit it with the application form. You will deposit in the installment, so that is a installment system. So whatever be the, suppose share is 10 rupees, so 2 rupees you paid on application, 3 rupees on allotment. So that is the due entry. It means college intimate you that you have to deposit the next amount. Then after, you will deposit amount when company or college demanded money, so obviously you will issue you will deposit it amount. So next entry will be bank account debit to share allotment account, and after that capital, and after that bank account debit to share first call. It means they call money, that is the due entry, and after that you will receive. If first call is the last call, so you can write share first and final call account debit to share capital account. And if it is not last, it may be possible that company will call more next few more calls for after that. So that will be share second call account debit to share capital and bank account debit to share second call. Entries mostly repeated, just name change. Like you can see here that share first call account debit to share capital, and in the second call only second call is there, second word is there instead, uh, and rest all the things are same. So in that way you can pass the entry. Now on your screen you can see a question that we will we are going to solve. Staples issue of share at par. Staples Limited invited application for 1 lakh share of 10 each. So these some important things that you have to mark, that application, invited application for 1 lakh share of 10 each. 1 lakh share of 10 each, that is 1 lakh share. The amount is payable 3 on application, 4 on allotment, and issue was fully subscribed and amount were duly received. Company has not demanded the call. So only part of money, it means only application and allotment amount they called. Remain amount they didn't call. That may be possible because company right now that thing not required. First, date of receipt not mentioned, you instead of that you can give number for that. So you will pass bank account debit to share application account. Now for the purpose of calculation I want to show you that 3 rupees per share and 1001 lakh share is there. So 3 lakh rupees mentioned here in the amount column. You will pass narration being the application money received on 1 lakh share at rupees 3 per share. Second entry, share application account debit to share capital account. That already we know that whatever amount that they will transfer to capital account, so amount will remain same because here issue was fully subscribed. It means whatever demanded by the company that they receive, no excess amount, no excess application amount received, being the transfer of application money on 1 lakh share on allotment to share capital. Now these are the narration that you can, next time you can just change the name, instead of application you can mention allotment. Now third entry, as in the question it is given that 4 rupees on allotment, next amount they have called. So you will pass entry because at the allotment you will pass first due entry. So share allotment account debit to share capital account. So here you will pass entry being the allotment money due, 4 rupees into 1 lakh share, that will be 4 lakh rupees. next entry, because whatever that it is the intimation of the company that you have to deposit money, so obviously people will deposit money. So next entry will be bank account debit to share allotment account. It will be, so here you will mention being the allotment money, being the allotment money received. That is the case of issue at par. So in what is the mean of issue at par? It is the case where company issued share at the face value. Here it is mentioned than 10 rupees. It may be possible that company can issue share more than their face value. Instead of 10 rupees, if they are issuing at 50 rupees, so that will be the premium, because they are charging 40 rupees higher than the face value. And if they are issuing less than the face value, instead of 10 rupees they are issuing or giving public to 8 rupees, so that will be considered as a discount. So in this video we talk about issue at par. In next video we will talk about issue at premium.